If you've always wanted to know how to make red rice or Spanish rice, Mexican rice, however you know it, you came to the right place. Today I'm gonna show you how to make it. You're gonna need a cup of rice. We're gonna rinse it. Okay, now here I have it. I rinsed it 3 times until the water came out clear. You can reuse that water for watering plants. So here I have the frying pan. It's hot. Now I'm gonna add the oil. We're gonna let the oil heat up. Now the oil is ready, we're gonna add the rice. You're gonna be stirring often. We're gonna blend the other ingredients of garlic, a piece of onion, a tomato cut in pieces, and salt to taste. We're gonna blend. Now it's ready. The rice is gonna turn like roasted. And you're gonna be able to tell it's ready because when you stir, it feels like it sounds like there's sand in it. And that's how you know it's ready. We're gonna add the tomato sauce. And we're gonna add twice as much of chicken broth as rice. So we used a cup. We're gonna add 2 cups of chicken broth. And we're gonna cover it so it cooks more evenly. And we're gonna place it in low heat. Now we're gonna check most of the liquid. It looks like it's gone. So now we're gonna check with a spoon. And if there's no liquid, that means it's ready. And as you can see, it's ready. Now we're gonna try it. Now we're gonna try this Mexican rice. I'm having it with mole and chicken breast and flour tortillas. I already have the recipe on how to make the mole and the tortillas. I'm gonna make a taco.